Hello, beautiful people. Welcome once again to Abenasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm sharing with you this super quick breakfast for two that you can make for you and your spouse. Let's get right into it. I have two potatoes here. You can use any potatoes of choice. It could be red potato, Yukon Gold potato, any potatoes that you can get in the store. Potatoes are all peeled. I'll cut the potatoes in half and then I will cut the half into big chunks. You can cut them any size you prefer. And then I'll rinse my potatoes once I'm done cutting them up. If you're new to this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. God bless you. My potatoes goes in a pot. I'll add water and then I'll bring it to a boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'll now begin to chop my vegetables. My vegetables are already washed. So I'll start with the scallion or the green onion. Regular onion, you can use red or yellow, whichever onion that you prefer. I also have orange, green, and yellow bell peppers, which I will dice up or chop up. I'm all done with the vegetables. I'll now begin to crack my eggs, and I have 4 eggs, 2 for each, guys. And then I'll add some onion and green onion or scallion, salt and black pepper. Beat everything together, and then I'll set it on the side. I'll now check on my potatoes and I'll use a fork to check the tenderness of the potatoes if it is to how I like it, and it is just perfect, so I remove it from heat and strain the water. To a pan, I'll drizzle about 3 tablespoons of oil and then my potatoes comes in. I'll give it a toss and it is time to season the potatoes. I have paprika, garlic powder, adobo, salt, and then we'll give it a toss. And this style of potatoes is called home fries. Crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. And you want to make sure the potatoes is well seasoned because that is what makes it delicious, guys. You can choose to add vegetables, but I always love to add vegetables to my potatoes and I'll give it a toss. I'm trying to show my toss skills here. I don't know if I'm doing good with that. I'll allow my potatoes to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes and then I will remove it from heat and set that on the side. And this is one of my husband's favorite breakfasts. I like to surprise him with it. He has no idea that I'm making this. It is just a perfect day to enjoy breakfast together. My sausage is already cooked. It was frozen, so I thawed it and I'll just brown the sides of the sausage, and that's all I need to do. And that should take about 3 to 5 minutes. If you have not subscribed at this point, please kindly subscribe and be part of this family. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your massive support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I'll now begin to cook my bacon. We don't always have bacon, but whenever I'm making this breakfast, I make sure to include bacon. What is potatoes without bacon, guys? You can omit the bacon if you don't like bacon. In the same pan, I'll drizzle about 2 tablespoons of oil and then I'll add in my eggs. I'm showing my flipping skills. I don't think this one went well. Yeah, it did not. We like omelette, so I fried the egg as an omelette and we'll be splitting it. I went ahead to plate our breakfast. We always enjoy this breakfast with baked beans. You can use any brand of baked beans, or you can even make it at home. It really completes this breakfast and it makes it taste so good. And breakfast is served, guys. We are going to enjoy this. And love is in the air. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all. I love you all. Happy Valentine's and stay safe. And if you have not subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe. Hit that post notification so anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. God bless you. Bye, guys.